Hello, and my name is Philip. Welcome to today's quick grammar update. Today I will explain to you how to use prevent and avoid. Prevent means stop. Preventing something means stopping it, often before it has happened. You can prevent something happening, or prevent someone from doing something. For example, the arrival of the police prevented crime. His hand prevented the cup falling. Losing my passport prevented me from flying. On the other hand, avoid means miss. If you avoid something, you miss it, or try to make it miss you. You can avoid something or avoid something happening. For example, I avoided the slap easily. Or, I avoided being discovered by hiding. Remember, you can practice these and many other grammar points directly with me, Philip, during your Skype class lessons. Good luck, and I wish you the very best with your English studies. Goodbye.